live, it says. Let's get everything in front of me here. All right. And got that in front of me. We're going to post in the Discord. And we're going to do this. Okay, this is Advent of Code Day 1. Let me just make sure my microphone stuff is turned on the right way. It looks like my mic is like way turned down, but okay. If I get closer? No, I have no idea. So I have no idea if it's even being picked up. My monitoring and output is turned on, but I don't hear myself. Well, hopefully if somebody comes by, they'll let me know they can't hear me. Oh no. Also, my camera is like fuzzy. Oh, you can hear me, Alex? Okay, great. Great. How do I sound? I'm using Leanna's microphone, so. Since you're in here, I'll trust you to let me know if I stop being able to be heard well. Sounds clear, okay. Need to fix get this out of the way. We'll stick it down here. Okay, sounds clear. Yeah, just let me know if anything is not balanced. And I'm gonna kick off the timer here. All right, day 1. Sonar sweep. You're minding your own business on a ship at sea when the overboard alarm goes off. You rush to see if you can help. Apparently one of the elves tripped and accidentally sent the sleigh keys flying into the ocean. Before you know it, you're inside a submarine. The elves keep ready for situations like this. It's covered in Christmas lights, because of course it is. And it even has an experimental antenna that you should be able to track the keys if you can boost its signal strength high enough. There's a little meter that indicates the antenna's strength. Signal strength, okay, 0 to 50 stars. It's the star lore. The star lore. Your instincts tell you in order to save Christmas, you'll need to get all 50 stars by December 25th. Collect the stars by solving puzzles. 2 puzzles will be made available on each day. Okay, good luck. As the submarine drops below the surface of the ocean, it automatically performs a sonar sweep of the nearby seafloor. On a small screen, the sonar sweep report, your puzzle input, appears. Each line is a measurement of the sea floor depth as the sweep looks further and further away from the submarine. For example, suppose you had one of the following reports. Okay, list of numbers on each line. This report indicates that scanning outward from the submarine, the sonar sweep found depths of 199, 200, 208, so on. Okay, so they refer to depths. Scanning outward from the submarine. So I wonder if that's like radial. The first order of business is to figure out how quickly the depth increases. Just so you know what you're dealing with. You never know if the keys will be carried into deeper water by an ocean current or a fish or something. Okay, figure out how quickly the depth increases. To do this, count the number of times a depth measurement increases. Okay, count the number of increases. Okay. How many measurements are larger than the previous measurement? Okay, so each time you go from one line to the next. Okay, so this should be pretty straightforward. We need to get puzzle input. let's see. So go save that in my directory here. Okay. And so now we've got the input. We'll stick that over in the corner. That's what it looks like. And we'll start off and we'll just read it in. So with open day one, auto, nope. Oh, only. Now will it auto complete? Nope. All right, day one input.txt. Okay. Just want to keep that on top. Okay. Also, it says that I'm missing frames due to rendering lag and encoding lag. That's probably not good. Hopefully it's not too much. I'll reset my counter and see if that fixes it. But okay, so as you know, we'll just call this in file, something like that, and then we'll go over each line. For line in file, and let's just print it out just to see if we can do that much. And let's pull up. We just click the run button. We'll just. Hey, look at that! It's printing lines. They're like blank lines. Okay, interesting. There's like random blank lines. My print. It seemed to work though. I wonder if that's just the way this terminal is working. Okay, so we're gonna need to track how many times we increase our number. I assume these are depths, so they must be positive numbers, so we'll assume that oh, print's adding an extra one. Oh, good idea, Alex. We'll just add end to the print. I mean, it doesn't really matter that much because, you know, I guess we can do none. That's probably better. But yeah, since the goal isn't to print in the end, so. But yeah, good point. It has new lines attached to it. Gotta call strip. So yeah, so if prev, you know, then let's go ahead and set prev equal to you know, we'll convert it to an int. And let's just do that over here instead. And then we'll put current here. And we'll go ahead and strip our line as well. And else, do else if current is greater than previous. And we don't count the number of times it is larger than the previous measurement. So count plus equals 1. It's hard to get away from the habit of doing plus plus, even though I write so much Python. And then at the end, we'll just print count. $19.99. Let's just go over it real quick before we submit here. let's see. So count is 0, previous is none. We check the line if it's not. So we're always, oh, we're not always. I guess we always want to do this at the end of the loop. And here we just want to continue. There we go. That won't work. This is what I want. There we go. Okay, so instead we're going to say, you know, if this is not equal to none, and current is greater than previous, then count plus equals 1, and we always, at the end of the loop, set previous equal to the current, and then we print the count at the end. So, try that. All right, 1602. That looks a bit better. So let's try it. All right, I'll join your Discord server, Alex. Okay. We got it! Hooray! Star 1 complete. Oh yeah, I really should do this as like... I don't know, you always reuse your input, right? So I guess I don't care about that. Okay, we got part 1. Okay, considering every single measurement isn't as useful as you expected, there's just too much noise in the data. Consider sums of a 3-measurement sliding window. Okay. Start by comparing the first and second 3-measurement windows. Their measurements in the first window are marked as A. Their sum is 199, 200, 208, 607. The second window is marked B. Oh, I see. They're doing like a vertical marking here. I'm glad you're excited. I got a couple of people at work to join my own leaderboard too, so that's exciting. At least one person. One of my like one of the principal engineers. So we'll see if he does any. Okay. So sliding window, sums of sliding windows. So basically each one we're trying to look at 3 values. The second larger is sum of the first, so this is the first comparison increased. Okay. Count the number of times the measurement in sliding window increases from the previous sum. So compare with A with B, and then compare B with C. Oh, okay, I see. So now we're just gonna keep counting sums, but now we're counting, you know, each individual. Okay. So let's hold on to an index and make that 0. And now instead we'll swap current with, let's see if we can do this. I'm not sure if Python lets you do this with file handles. 3. That'd be 3 numbers, right? That's not gonna work. So then I need to like do each one. And I'd have to do like this. I don't think this is gonna work. Also, I should hold on to my part 1 and not just delete it as I do part 2. Okay. Part 2. Okay. I'm sure this messing around with this file input stuff would probably not be beneficial, but you know, well, we're going to try this just to see if it's possible. So we'll get the index, and then just want to see if I can do index colon index plus 3 or plus 3. Yeah, is it always just minus 1 or is it plus 2? Anyways, we're just gonna print lines. And then we're just gonna see what that does. Yeah, I can't subscript it. Bummer. So we're just gonna do previous lines equals a list. And now instead we'll do if previous lines, you know, is less than 3. Append line, okay, and then is, I know we always want to append the new line. We'll always append. And if we're less than 3, then we will continue, since we don't have enough in our window. And then if we're greater than 3, we're going to remove the first one. So dot remove and that does occurrence. Dot pop. This is pop. Default's last, but index, we just want pop 0. So this should pop the first index. Okay. So basically, like, if we get more than 3, then we're gonna pop one off, and then let's just go ahead and print lines here, and we'll do it. If we get to here once, then that's good. Let's try it out. And instead of previous, let's just call this my window. Right. Okay. So that should, hey, look, it gave me a thing. Okay. Now let's make these integers and strip them. Okay. Now we got some nice integers here. That's good. And then now we can just add back this code here to do our counting. But instead, let's use sum of window. Does sum exist? Sum, return the sum of the start value, default 0, plus a number of iterables. That works. Yeah, cool. All right. And the rest of the logic should be the same. So previous is still done the same way. And current is still done the same way. we'll just leave my prints in there just to make sure things behave properly here. Yeah, okay, we're always getting 3. Okay, 1633. I think we should try it. Huzzah! We've done it. We did day 1. It took me 18 minutes. I mean, I was going pretty slow, trying to figure out stream stuff. And just taking my time. So, let's go see how fast people did it. I'm sure people did it in like 30 seconds, right? I thought these had... Oh no, let's see, where do you see the stats? That's just how many people have done it. I thought they had times somewhere. Oh, per day. Day 1. 1 minute and 7 seconds. Yeah. Not surprising. Somebody was... Yeah, it took them less than a minute to type up this code. Pretty good. Alright, well, that's day 1. Hey, Alex, you only have 1 star? I don't know. Wait, why doesn't my star show up here? They provide 2 gold stars. Wonder what's going on there. I still lost frames due to rendering lag. Wonder how to fix that. So is my stream actually going here? It's like freezing up, huh? Oh, that does not look good. Huh. Rendering lag, huh? Encoding lag. Seems like it's mostly encoding lag. Just trying to like move to see myself move in the stream. Oh yeah, that's choppy. I'll have to figure that out. It says 12. I guess that's how many points I got. Different ordering. Local score. Oh, stars. I see. I think that's just showing that you got it done. And then by stars, that gives us 2 stars. Okay, I see. That makes more sense. It's just the order that people got it done. And so I can look at my own private leaderboard. And yeah, I'm the only one that got it done. Okay. Well, we're gonna cut stream since we're done here. And I'm gonna do it again tomorrow at 9 o'clock, hopefully, instead of 10 o'clock. Try and be consistent with my time of day that I do it. You know, never gonna get on the leaderboard with doing it in the morning, but I don't really care about the leaderboard. So All right. Have a good day.